Most people think discipline means being hard on yourself, but that's not what it is. Discipline is simple. What is discipline? It means doing what needs to be done, no matter how you feel, even when you're tired, even when you're stressed, even when you don't feel motivated, because the person who depends on feelings will never stay consistent. But disciplined people act under any condition. Discipline is not waking up motivated every day. Discipline is continuing, even after the motivation is gone. How to build discipline. Building discipline starts with a decision. You have to decide that you no longer want to live the same way. One of the first things I personally did was turning off my phone for long periods of time. I even kept the charger away from me so it wouldn't be easy to go back. I also created a specific place in my house only for work. When I sit there, my brain knows it's time to focus. And honestly, that changed a lot for me. Another important thing was learning not to escape with cheap dopamine whenever I felt stressed or overwhelmed. Instead of endless scrolling or wasting time online, I would go out with my family or sit in a public park for a while. Those small habits helped me clear my mind and slowly build discipline. Because discipline isn't built in one day, it's built through small actions repeated every single day. Why discipline matters. Stop waiting for motivation. Stop waiting for the perfect moment. Start now, even if it's just one small step. Because in the end, motivation won't save you. Discipline will.